Healthy summer snacks. Grapes. Hydrating contains a lot of water. Natural energy boost contains natural sugars. Strawberries. High in fiber, promotes digestive health. Rich in antioxidants, protects against cell damage. Peaches. Vitamin C and A, great for skin and eye health. Good for digestion, high fiber content. Cherries. Anti-inflammatory, may reduce muscle soreness. Mango. High in vitamin C, boosts immunity and collagen production. Mango is called the king of fruits. Mangoes are full of vitamin C. Watermelon. Hydrating, over 90% water, perfect for hot days. Contains vitamins A and C, boosts immunity and eye health. Pineapple. Rich in vitamin C, supports immune system. Banana. Supports digestion, contains resistant starch and fiber. High in potassium, good for heart and muscles.